Guess what came in? That's right, we finally got the interior door panel clips. Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my videos. For the past few videos I've been saying that I've been waiting for these clips to get in the mail so we can go ahead and finish up this door. As you guys can see, the interior door panel is not on there. I do have it and it's back there, but all of these clips right here have to get replaced, and it's the exact same with the other side. Now if you look at this side, you will notice that this door panel is very loose, wobbly and flimsy. And that is also because the door panel clips need to be replaced. As beautiful as this truck is and runs, it is still from 1999, so best believe that those clips are worn out. And rather than going to AutoZone and wasting almost 10 bucks on 3 of them, I went on Amazon and got these. Alright, I am gonna have these clips down below if anybody wants to pick these up. I went ahead and ordered 2 packs, so there's a pack of 10 and there's a pack of 20. I went with a pack of 20 just because I wanted to make sure I had enough to replace both sides, but you only need 9 per door. Now this one right here is missing 2, one here, one there, but I'm just gonna go ahead, remove these old ones, replace them with the new ones. Nothing too complicated. And then we're also going to be putting back our door handle. This right here was missing a piece there and there, but in one of my videos we went ahead and fixed it by just putting some washers there and super gluing it. I let it harden long enough, so I think these things are good enough to go. Really excited to see how this door is gonna feel once everything is put back together. So I'm gonna go ahead, replace the clips right now, put this back in here. Don't forget we had some screws holding these in, a total of 4, but that's gonna need to get screwed back in there. And then finally we'll be able to put the door back in. This washer is sticking out too long, so I'm gonna have to cut it a little bit to make it nice and flush. Look at how I had to grind that washer. I removed almost half of it off, but I think it still has enough metal in there to make this panel nice and sturdy. I'll tell you one thing, it's definitely gonna be better than how it was. But if I turn it over, you guys will see the door handle is now back on there. Now to put it back on the door. Alright, check this out. The panel is now back in place with all its hardware and accessories. My biggest issue was whenever I would close this door, I would feel like this. And right now, check how it looks. It has no play at all. Check that out, even when it's closed. I mean, check that. And then compared to this, very happy that that's finally how it's supposed to be. You guys don't know how long I went driving this car with this issue, and I hated it so much. Every time I would close the door, it would sound so ugly. But now check this out. Boom, 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 boom. Check this one out though. Boom, boom. And it still didn't close right because most of it got pulled on this rather than the door. So the door isn't closing properly there, but that's because the door panel needs new clips, so let's take care of that next. Same like the other side, there's gonna be 3 screws, and then the door switch has clips on it, so just pry that out. There's gonna be 1 screw behind the door handle, so right there. Then there's gonna be 2 under the armrest right here, so you're gonna have 1 there and 1 there. And then again, just pry this up. And then all those clips, try and remove them one by one. Don't go pulling on the whole door. You might break something. Alright, we got the door panel off, as you guys can see. Check this one out. Look at that. That's how it looks right now. This is how it's supposed to look. But I'm gonna go ahead and replace all the clips, and then just like the driver's door, for some reason the screw housing is completely demolished and not even there. So I gotta go ahead and super glue something in there as well. But first things first, let's remove and switch out all these clips. Alright, we got all the old clips right here. All the new clips are now back on the panel. This one over here is missing, but between you and me, the one here isn't really that important. And trust me, I know, because this one isn't on there and it's not affecting how this door opens or closes. Don't get me wrong, I'd rather have it on there, but I'm not that worried that that one's missing. That way they can actually be matching. But right now I'm gonna remove the door panel armrest. Those right there are 7mm, but there's 3 here and then 1 there. Alrighty, the door is now all put back together. If I flip it around, you can go ahead and see everything that we did. And I might have overdone it a little with the Gorilla Hot Glue, but that right there is not gonna go anywhere. I'm pretty sure that this will hold up. I will say I went on the internet and searched up how much one of these little handles costs, and it's around 80 bucks. So they're kind of pricey in my opinion for what they are. With that being said though, we're gonna go ahead, slap this one back onto the truck. But I just wanted to take a moment to show you guys how this back looks and came out. Again, that's just a washer. Another washer there, and then a bunch of hot glue, and then obviously we replaced all the clips. So excited to see how she's gonna feel once it's all put back together. Alright, all the panels are now back on the door. This panel's back on there, power switch is now on there. Went ahead and tightened everything up. Now it's time to test it out. Yes, sir. Let's go, bro. Check that out. I know you guys remember how wobbly it was earlier. But now, look. There's no play at all. Damn, bro. That's all they needed. Another very successful video. In my opinion, we got both of these doors to properly close and open, and all the clips are now replaced, so best believe this thing is coming together. Now next time you guys see me, we're gonna be changing out the differential oil, and I'm very excited to finally be working with Mutual. Since I got this truck, I've been wanting to switch over to Mutual for lubrication, and now I'm finally gonna be doing it. I'm planning on ordering a Mutual sticker too, so hopefully that comes in the mail soon, so that once this truck is ready to hit the road, it looks a little bit different. But other than that, if you guys want to pick up any of the clips that I had, I'm gonna have them linked down below. But this is Javi from Javi's Productions. Peace out, my friends.